Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to part 6 of the Apache Superset basic tutorial series. In part 5, we saw how to visualize data using scatter plot chart and heat map chart in Apache Superset. Today, we will see how to explore chart in Apache Superset dashboard. Normally, our dashboard represents data from all the charts at once. Now, suppose we want to view data from this chart for a specific year, for example 2009. If you just click on any single slice of the donut chart, you will see a cross filter icon appear. This means that based on our selection, all the other charts on the dashboard have now been filtered as well. In other words, the entire dashboard is now showing data only for 2009. If you want to remove this selection, simply click on it again and the filter will be removed. Let me make this a bit clearer. This time you select the year 2014 from the table chart. Just like before, only data for 2014 will be visible across the entire dashboard. Notice that this filter has been added to the filter panel on the left hand side. Often while exploring data, you might forget exactly where you clicked to apply a filter. In that case, there is no need to worry. Just click clear on the filter from the left side and all the charts on the dashboard will return to their initial state. Next, if you want to view the data more deeply or in depth, you can right click and go to the drill to detail option. From here, it is possible to directly view the actual records from the main database. Alternatively, if you want to view the charts data in a table format, then select view as table and you can see the data behind the chart has now appeared in a table format. For example, let's take a look at a data from another chart in the table view as well. Here you can see that all the data used for this heat map chart has now appeared in the table view. Since we had the released year, rating and gross amount here, everything is now visible in detail in table. So that was our tutorial for today. Today we saw how to work with charts in Apache Superset, how to filter different charts in Apache Superset's dashboard, and how to explore data in detail, in depth. So that is all for today. Thank you for staying with me. See you in the next video and good night.